In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Msvcp90.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Any browser will do. Search for the missing DLL and just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and click the download button the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then you have to right click at the folder, select extract all, click on extract. Now copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate this System32 folder. Right click and then select paste. Click on continue. Once done, close the remaining windows, then right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart. Step 2, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ for distributable package into your Windows 11. Okay, that comes with the necessary files that can help you in fixing the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.